Okay, so we're in the back now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up our first step to the corrective color. Just rinsed out all of the foils, so now we're back here again, and I'm going to mix up our vibrants for her roots. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully that kind of gave you a good little glimpse into the process of what we go through when someone comes in and wants a complete change of their hairstyle, either if it's going from light to dark or dark to lighter. So just kind of give you a little bit of a time frame. That took us about 4 hours from start to finish. The proper thing to come in with is pictures of the haircut that you want, and also some like goals of the color that you possibly want to try and achieve. You have to keep in mind that first time you probably won't be able to get as light as you are depending on your base color. So if that have any questions at all, definitely message us on Instagram or come into the salon. We would love to chat with you guys. See you soon.